In this quick video, I am going to show you how to recover Gmail password without recovery email and phone number. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now recovering Gmail password without recovery email is really easy. For that, firstly open any browser in your mobile. For instance, I am using Google Chrome in my mobile. Once you open your browser, search on your browser recover Google account. So we just need to type it like this. After that, we need to tap on the first website, which is how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Once we tap on it, then we need to scroll down here until we find an option of can't sign in. So as you can see, this is the option can't sign in for another reason. We need to tap on get help signing in. Once you tap on it, it will open a new website. Here we need to select our issue. So our issue is related to our password. So for that, we will select the first option, which is you forgot your password. Once you select it, then we need to scroll down here and we will see this option of recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on it and then it will open an account recovery website. Here we need to enter the email address which we want to recover. So I want to recover this account, so I have entered the email address here. Then tap on next and then it will ask to enter your password. Now don't worry, if you can't remember your password, you can enter the previous password you remember, or you can enter any password here, it doesn't really matter. So I have entered this password and then we need to tap on next, and now it will give you an option of recover your account. I have added an recovery email address, so that's why I can simply open my recovery email address and enter the code I received via Google, and I can verify that code and recover my account easily. But in case you don't have any recovery email address, then what you can do is tap on try another way, and then it will give you another way to recover your account. So as you can see, I have added a phone number on my Google account which ends with 63. So I can simply enter that phone number here and I can receive a OTP and recover my account. But in most cases, people don't usually add their phone number. So for that, what we need to do is tap on I don't have my phone. Once we tap on it, then it will open a new page. But as you can see, it can't let me sign in on my Google account because it says couldn't sign you in. So to fix this issue, we need to go to the home page of our Google and now type here support.google.com, search here, and then it will open a new website. Here we need to describe our issue. You can simply search here recover. Once we search it, tap on the first suggestion, which is how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Once we tap on it, then we need to head over community section from here, and then we need to scroll down here until we find an option of post a question. As you can see, try posting to the public help community. Tap on it. After that, we need to sign in here with our any Google account. It doesn't matter which Google account you use. So I just need to open any Google account from my phone. So I just need to select it. After that, sign in here with your Google account by using your face lock or your fingerprint, just like I am doing here. Now on the help community, we need to mention our all details, just like our short summary of your issue. Firstly, I have typed here Google account recovery, and under it we need to explain the problem you are facing and what you have tried. So we need to mention everything, but don't mention your personal details here. After that, choose the category from here. So our category is account access and recovery. So we just need to select it, and from these options select account recovery and tap on next step. After that, here we need to tap on next step once again and then scroll down and choose the platform of your device. So my platform is Android. You can have your iOS or web. So I have Android, so I just need to select it, then tap on next step. Now we need to scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option of post. Tap on it and then your query will be submitted to the Google help team, and they will give you an email on the Google account which you use for submitting your query. So I have received this Gmail on my account, and if I open it, you can see I will be able to receive a reply within 24 hours. So they will guide you through the entire process of recovering your Google account. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.